AI Adventures, your kid-friendly introduction to artificial intelligence. AI, or artificial intelligence, can be explained to kids as a fascinating field of technology that focuses on creating machines or computer programs that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI allows computers to learn, think, and make decisions in a way that mimics human intelligence. Here are a few key points to explain AI to kids. 1. Learning and problem solving. AI enables computers to learn from examples and experiences, just like how kids learn from their surroundings. It helps computers recognize patterns, solve problems, and make decisions based on the information they receive. 2. Speech recognition. AI can understand and interpret human speech. It helps computers understand what we say and respond to our commands. This technology is used in voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. 3. Image and face recognition. AI can also identify and understand images. For example, it can recognize faces, objects, or animals in photos or videos. This technology is used in applications like photo tagging or facial recognition. 4. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots are computer programs designed to have conversations with humans. They can answer questions, provide information, or even have fun and engaging conversations. 5. Robotics. AI is used in robots to make them intelligent and capable of performing tasks. Robots can be programmed to do things like clean the house, assist in healthcare, or even play games. 6. AI in games. AI is often used in video games to create intelligent opponents or characters that can adapt to a player's actions and make the game more challenging and realistic. 7. Ethical considerations. It's important to teach kids that while AI is powerful, it also raises ethical questions. They should understand the importance of using AI responsibly, respecting privacy, and considering the impact on society. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.